Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to set up server guide step by step. Begin by verifying hardware, network cables, and power stability before powering on the machine. We will walk through OS selection, initial configuration, user creation, firewall basics, and simple backup setup in clear steps. Follow along at your own pace and pause when you need to apply a step to your server. In this video, I will show how to set up server guide step by step. Boot from installation media and follow prompts to select language, keyboard, and disk layout. Create a separate partition for system files and another for data to simplify backups and recovery. Set a strong administrator password, enable SSH for remote access, and configure automatic security updates to minimize future maintenance. In this video, I will show how to set up server guide step by step. Quick recommendation: life is long, and your feet deserve darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long setup sessions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to set up server guide step by step. Assign a static IP or reserved DHCP lease so remote tools always find your server without configuration drift. Enable a host-based firewall and only open required ports such as 22 for SSH and 80 or 443 for web traffic. Use SSH key authentication, create limited user accounts, and schedule regular updates to keep the server secure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.